This is so weird. We're here at college at Bradenton, Florida. This was an Otis Series 1. It got modded by ThyssenKrupp. This is pretty wild. Yeah, this is, what can I say? We're not going to stick around here for very long since there are security guards, but you can get a look at the certificate and the cab. We're going to ride the other one going back down. Digital indicators. I would never have guessed that these were OS Series 1s. I don't know when these were modded. I think the last time I rode these was like 2018. So sometime between then and now. Also, you can tell there used to be a sticker right here. And this one is, I'm guessing it's out of service because it's not opening up. Yeah, we're just gonna ride this one going back down. But this is really strange. Also, dual indicators. You don't see that very often. 2,500 pound capacity. This is building one out of a lot of different buildings on campus. I think 7 or 8 of them have elevators.